how to play Apple Music on PS5 from phone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Apple Music on PS5 from your phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to play Apple Music on PS5 from your phone, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. From your PS5 home screen, navigate to the Media tab at the top. Step 2. In the Media section, scroll right and select All apps. Step 3. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Apple Music. Step 4. Select the Apple Music app and choose Download. Wait for the app to install. Step 5. Once installed, go back to the Media home screen and open the Apple Music app. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into your Apple Music account using your Apple ID. Step 7. Once signed in, you can start browsing and playing music directly from the Apple Music app on your PS5. So that's how you can play Apple Music on PS5 from your phone. That's all for this video.